The purpose of this video is to demonstrate our Raritan app functionality. Once the app is opened, our home screen will be displayed. If you purchased our smart toilet control with Bluetooth capability, you will select the flush control button. You will be prompted to hold the pairing button down for 3 seconds on your controller. Once paired, you can connect to your device. Several options are now displayed. To test flush settings, select Operation. This screen allows you to test your flush, water saver, fill, and empty functions. Adjustments to the flush cycles can be made through the settings screen. Our controller offers 2 flush settings, continuous and sequential. Each cycle has preset flush times that can be easily modified. The information buttons on the side offer additional information. The Diagnostic tab displays information that may be helpful in troubleshooting. Additional information about this device can be found under Device Information. The Update Firmware tab allows users to upgrade their device if one has been made available to you. When finished, you can exit the app by pressing the Disconnect button in the upper right-hand corner. Full functionality is now available through the wall panel. If you purchased our TankAssure product, you can connect to your device, enter your password, and submit. Our TankAssure product can monitor up to 4 tanks, and you can view it in either a gauge or bar level format. Going into settings, you can go into each individual tank. You can determine if it's in use by selecting No, removes it from the home screen. You can put your tank height in. You can name your tank. And you can set alarms for full, empty, or blocked vent. You can change your boat name to make it more recognizable. You can change your password to make your device more secure. You can reset the factory settings if you wish. You can enable notifications as well. You can disconnect from the app in the upper right-hand corner. The import-export calibration data options are associated with our TankAssure product and require additional engineering support.